I was, I was shocked. Hey guys, it's Nina here and happy new year. I hope that you guys enjoyed your 2017 as much as I did. If you haven't seen my 2017 reel, you can click over here to watch it. I just want to thank you for your support in my channel for 2017. It's slowly getting there, but it is getting there. So thank you so much for always commenting and for always liking and sharing my videos. So really from the bottom of my heart, I really want to thank you, and 2018 is gonna be amazing. So a little bit of a life update. If you're following me on Instagram and checking out my Insta stories, you probably know by now that I don't have a full-time job anymore. So yes, I've left the corporate world. Not really by choice. A couple of months ago, my company went into a merger and then a restructuring. So unfortunately, I was one of those people who got affected by that restructuring. I was in HR and I thought, it's not gonna happen to an HR person, but it did. So I was really shocked at first, and I didn't know what to think. I felt like it was unfair. I even cried for a day. But thankfully, I have Jay with me who really encouraged me, and I have my family and my friends as well. Their support has been critical at that point of my life when that happened. Thank Jay. He was so relaxed about it. I was like worrying about our finances, what's gonna happen, how are we gonna pay things, but he was just relaxed, really chill about things, and he said better things will come along. So my official last day was actually 31st of December. So yeah, at the end of the day, it's all about perspective. Whatever your situation is, it's all about how you respond to that situation. So instead of sulking, I choose to believe that God has something better in store for my life. I've been in the company for about 8 years, and maybe God wants to shake things a little bit. And instead of being bitter, I'll rejoice knowing that God has a plan for my life. His plans are always good, pleasing, and perfect. He has plans to prosper me and not to harm me, plans to give me a hope and a future. So I hold on to that promise. It's gonna be challenging. I mean, I know a lot of people who's gone through the same thing, especially when it comes to, your finances, because like for us, for instance, we lost an income that's quite significant. So there's gonna be a lot of rebudgeting from our side, but I know God will provide. He always does. I'm sure He's gonna, give me the right opportunity, the right people to come my way. And He's the one who's given us the ability to produce wealth anyways. So what's next? Well, right now, me and Jay decided that I'll try and focus on vlogging and see where this takes me. We're really believing that God's just gonna pour out opportunities, and it can be vlogging or it might be another job. Who knows? God only knows. All I can do right now is be productive. I cannot be lazy. Be faithful with whatever God has given me. He has given me talent, so I should do something about that, right? So that's what I'll do. And also, I'll be going to fashion school. I've already started last December, and then there's a break, and now I'm gonna start again in the next couple of weeks. So I don't know, maybe a new career in fashion will happen. I don't know. I'm just really excited for what's ahead. So if you're someone like me who lost your job or you're looking for a job, I want to encourage you to stay positive. Don't worry so much. Leave it all up to God. Trust that God has something better for you. You just have to wait patiently on Him. But in the meantime, while you're waiting for your job, do something productive. If God has given you a talent for something, do that first. Because God can bless you while you wait. I'm excited for 2018, and I hope that you guys are excited about your 2018, because I know that it's gonna be awesome. Thank you so much for watching this mini life update. Let me know if you've gone through the same thing, and if you're in the process of waiting right now, what are you doing? Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling, no matter what.